In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek AI to chat with your PDF. So at the moment I have my DeepSeek chat.deepseek.com and I've logged in with my account. And once I'm here, I'm going to import the media. Okay, so assuming I want to use this journal paper and I've just imported it. So I want to give in the prompt. Can you give me a quick summary of the methodology and the paper? Okay, so it is reading the paper right now and it might take some time. So once it is done, can you give me a quick summary of the methodology in this paper? Okay, so it has finished uploading the paper, so I can just go ahead and click on enter to this, and let's see the wonders of this Chinese tool is going to do for us. Okay, so you can see this is it. Certainly, this is the summary of the methodology, objectives, quantitative criteria, accessibility, techniques assessed, evaluation networks, and so on. You can see it is giving us exactly what is in the paper. Very quick summary, and you can ask further question to this, and you can discuss, ask different things. So this is a conclusion and key takeaways even from the methodology. So we can say, can you give me 3 general contribution to knowledge from this paper? Okay, so this is a further question. I can just click, and because it has read it, it will not take much time. It's just going to give you the results. Okay, here are 3 main contributions to knowledge: framework for participatory flood risk modeling. You can see comparative evaluation of participatory techniques, bridging the gap between technical and stakeholder knowledge. This is very direct and very super. So this is how to carry out direct and quick chat with your PDF document using DeepSeek AI. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.